Today we are going to continue lesson number 1, our national fruit mango. In that we are going to study Indian system of numeration. So let's start.
Indian system of numeration. This system is divided into 4 periods: ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. These 4 periods are further subdivided into sub-periods. Let us consider ones period. Ones period is subdivided into 3 sub-periods: ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period is subdivided into 2 periods, sub-periods: thousands, 10,000s. Lakhs period is subdivided into 2 sub-periods: lakhs, 10 lakhs. And crore period is divided further into 2 sub-periods: crores, 10 crores. So, we can see that only one period has 3 sub-periods. Rest all periods has only 2 sub-periods. Now, we will learn to insert commas in the numbers using Indian system of numeration. For example, let us consider this one. 4, 6, same number I am writing here, 0, 8, 5, 1. Let us start from the right side. Since we have seen that ones period is subdivided into 3 sub-periods, we will insert commas after 3 digits, starting from the right side. First digit, second and third digit. So, I will put a comma here, wherever the period ends. Now next. Now since thousands period is subdivided into only 2 sub-periods, we will insert commas after 2 digits from the right side. 1 digit, 2 digit. So, I will put a comma here. Now lakhs period is further subdivided into again 2 sub-periods. So, we will insert comma after 2 periods from the right side. 1 digit, 2 digit. So, I will put a comma here at the end of this period. Now, crore period is also subdivided into 2 sub-periods. So, we will insert comma after 2 digits from right side. 2 sub-periods. So, insert comma after 2 digits after right side. But wait, since there is no digit after this crore period, so we cannot put comma here. So, now comma putting is over. Now we will try to read this number. 46 crore 79 lakh 30,851. Now in the same way, we will put commas in the next example. Initially, we will put comma after 3 digits from the right side, because ones period has 3 sub-periods. Now after that, we will start putting commas after 2 digits from the right side. 1, 2, put a comma here. Next 1, 2, put a comma here. This is the last comma because the period ends here. Now we will try to read this number. 3 crore 5 lakh 78,100 10. Next example, in the same way we will go on putting commas as in Indian system. So here before 3 digits, here before 2 digits. Now we will try to read this number, 62,98,205. Now one more example we will consider. Now we will try to put periods, it's commas. So before 3 digits, I will put a comma here. I'll try to read this number, 5,268.
In the previous slide, we discussed Indian system of numeration. It consists of 4 columns or periods starting from right, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Between each period, we insert comma. Now we will take some more examples and try to read the numbers in Indian system. First one, 36 crores, 75 lakh, 32,391. Second one, 6 crore, 79 lakh, 50,200. Third example, 67 crore, 10,980. Fourth example, 50 crore, 70 lakh, 89,001. From this table, it is clear that 1 crore is 100 lakh and 1 lakh is 100,000. We also can see that 1 crore has 7 zeros and 1 lakh has 5 zeros. As we have already seen in last video that half of any number means that number divided by 2 and 1/4 of any number means that number divided by 4. So, if there are 2 lakhs transportation vehicles in your area and half of them are trucks, then write number of trucks in your area. As there are 2 lakhs transportation vehicles and out of that half of them are trucks. So naturally half of 2 lakhs is 2 lakhs divided by 2 is 1 lakh. Now next question. If 1/4 of these vehicles are tractors, then how many thousand of tractors are there? So out of 2 lakhs, if 1/4 vehicles are tractors. Then 1/4 of 2 lakhs is 2 lakhs divided by 4 is 50,000. Thank you. Have a good day. Hope to meet in next maths class.